Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jaime and I like to share about curly hair tips and tricks that I learned over the years and everything beauty related and all of that good stuff. So consider subscribing. I haven't been posting on here for quite a while and it was because I was on vacation, so I would like to apologize for all my subscribers for not being consistent with my videos. Like I say, I've been on vacation and when I come back my hair has completely changed on me. I honestly don't know what's going on with my hair. The color has changed, the texture of my hair has changed. I literally did my hair 2 days ago and this is what it is right now, and I really don't know. But I honestly considering cutting off my hair or coloring it. But before I do anything extreme like that, I want to keep trying a little harder to see what's going on. As you can see, let me come closer and show you guys. It's just no color. It's so ashy. It's the color and the texture of my hair is what's really bothering me. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off my hair. Well, no, not cut off, just trim it, maybe an inch. I always trim my hair on dry hair, and I always like to separate my hair or section my hair in the middle. Better to cut your hair when it's dry. Sometimes I like to blow dry my hair when I trim it. I actually did a video on that. If you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna link it down below. I've been cutting my hair for so long, but I always get nervous when I do it. I don't know why. I never get used to it. I think it's enough, right? When I get around here, I feel like there's a lot of resistance, so this is where I'm gonna be cutting it from. So I am done. I think I did good for the most part. I think I cut a little bit more this side than this side, but it's not noticeable that much, so I'm just gonna leave it. But the next thing I'm gonna do is deep treatment or a mask, and I'm gonna do a DIY mayonnaise deep treatment. I did so many research and a lot of them suggested that I used mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is a really great way to give your hair shininess and to give it that glossier look. I added 2 brown eggs. Most people use olive oil, but I chose to use macadamia oil because I believe macadamia oil works so much better than olive oil for my hair. And I added 1 tablespoon of real black castor oil. Because this mask is a little bit smelly, you might want to use some type of essential oils, but I don't have that, so I used lavender black castor oil. I simply start sectioning my hair into smaller sections and applying the mask onto my hair, making sure every strand is well coated. By the time I got into the middle of my hair, I start to run out, so I apply the mayonnaise straight out of the bottle onto my hair. My hair was so dry that it ate up, like it literally ate it up. The whole mask was gone, and as you can see, it doesn't look like it take all of that mask, but I put everything on it. I finished the whole bottle of the mayonnaise. It is a little bit smelly, but the lavender really helped me with the smell. Once I was done, I put on 2 plastic cups, and because I felt like I needed the maximum moisture, I let it sit on for about 1 hour, and I sit outside on the sun to kind of speed up the process. I forgot to film right after I rinsed out the mayonnaise treatment, but my hair was looking really good. It was very defined and I can already tell the shininess coming back. I shampooed my hair, then I detangled my hair with Curls Blueberry Bliss mask, and this is how my hair is looking right after everything is done. It was very fluffy, it was defined, I can run my finger through my hair easily. It was absolutely amazing. I really loved this deep treatment. And to style my hair, I used Curls Popping Pineapple Leave-In Conditioner. I decided just to use one product because I don't want to weigh down my hair and I don't want no product build up. To seal in all the moisture, I used the TGIN hair serum, and I focused on my ends because that's where a lot of my problems are at the moment, and that is why I used some perm rods to kind of seal in the moisture. I made sure I spray more serum on my ends to make sure everything is well sealed and moisturized. So this is the next day. My hair has completely dried. Now I'm gonna unravel it and show you guys my results. I have a lot of shininess to my hair. Health of my hair is coming back. I can feel it. It's not rough anymore. My ends seem to be doing well. It looks cute. And first day hair and second day hair can be boring, so you can spice it up with a different hairstyle. And if you make it until the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Hope you come back again. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a nice day.